You know how difficult it gets to manage your deskless team when they're always on the go, mostly scattered across different job sites. In this rush, the messages about route changes get lost and shift switches become a mess. That's where Connecteam really shines. It is a mobile-first workforce management app built for teams who don't sit in front of a computer and are out in the field, from construction, retail, food and beverage, healthcare, security field services, and more. From scheduling shifts to tracking hours in the field and sharing menu updates, everything happens right on your phone. So let's walk through how Connecteam brings order to the chaos of running a mobile deskless team. To start things off, Connecteam is designed to be intuitive for workers who are constantly moving between locations. When you first log in, the left navigation panel gives you access to high-level administrative functions, like an overview, activity, and user management for your various crews. The real core of the app is structured around three centralized hubs: the Communications Hub, Operations Hub, and HR and Skills Hub. This organization makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you need while you're out in the field. What we found truly helpful for fast-paced food businesses is the onboarding process. For every single feature, Connecteam provides a step-by-step how-to guide right within the application, so your drivers and field staff can learn the ropes without coming into the office. The best part is that it's free for up to 10 users. It's very user-friendly and easy to implement with your team. For deskless teams spread across different delivery routes or visiting different clients, you need a faster way to communicate. Connecteam built their communication features to keep internal updates smooth and centralized. One of the core features of this hub is the native chat feature, where delivery drivers can instantly share traffic updates or photos of successful drop-offs. Another important feature is the updates feature, which allows managers to make important announcements, like a sudden change in a recipe or a safety recall, and ensure they are seen on a social media-style feed. You can send these out via push notifications so your team stays informed even while they are on shift. They also have an event feature for managing mandatory food safety seminars or team meetings, which allows employees to RSVP directly from their mobile devices. Finally, the help desk feature is an organizational lifesaver because it allows field staff to submit equipment repair requests or inventory questions directly to the right department for quick resolution. While communication is essential, the real work for deskless teams happens in the Operations Hub. This section is all about managing and monitoring employee performance on the ground. The time clock is one of the most important features here because employees can clock in and out directly from their mobile devices as they reach a delivery site or job site. You can use GPS tracking to verify their location while they are clocked in, or set up geofence sites to ensure workers are physically present at the correct kitchen or warehouse before they can start or end their shift, ensuring no more time theft and making sure employees are where they need to be on time. To stay on top of labor laws, the app handles automated overtime calculations and break tracking for your drivers and servers. This ties into a powerful payroll system that makes payments more accurate by tracking work hours correctly across multiple sites. To create schedules quickly, the Job Schedule feature lets you assign shifts based on qualifications or specific jobs, and it even includes an AI-powered tool that builds your roster in seconds. For on-the-go quality control, the Quick Tasks feature allows you to assign tasks and then write the examples, such as cleaning or restocking duties, while digital forms let your team submit hygiene reports or proof of delivery photos with a digital signature, making sure everything is digitized, saved in one place, and no more paper chasing. Connecteam is very thoughtful about human resources for the mobile workforce, and the HR and Skills Hub is specifically designed for this. For training and professional development, you can create mobile-friendly courses right within the app to teach new hires about food handling protocols or customer service standards. Also, there is the AI-powered course creator as well. Easily enter a prompt, and you have a ready-to-go course for your employees. For maintaining a positive culture despite the distance, you can use rewards and recognition to publicly celebrate the recognitions or send shoutouts for great customer feedback. They even have a celebrations tool that automatically reminds the entire mobile team of birthdays and work anniversaries. Furthermore, the time-off management feature streamlines the entire process and allows employees to submit PTO requests from the road while managers approve them instantly. The HR Hub also includes documents management under Knowledge Base feature for storing digital versions of food handler permits and employee handbooks, which makes them accessible anywhere. You can upload a PDF, Excel sheet, or even a photo of a physical paper form.
The AI agent takes information straight from the company's resources under the Knowledge Hub.
On top of that, the organization chart gives your field staff a clear visual understanding of who to contact for support and improve overall transparency. Once your mobile users are organized and your routes are running, you need to keep an eye on the dashboard. It is structured around the key performance indicators that matter most to a deskless operation. You'll get a quick actions panel for instantly publishing a new delivery schedule or sending an urgent inventory update. You'll also find detailed reports on attendance that show real-time clock-in status across all your remote locations, which helps you spot lateness before it affects your service. The engagement metrics show you how active your team is with company updates, and the daily activity provides a snapshot of completed delivery tasks and submitted safety forms. Overall, the dashboard is designed to give mobile managers immediate, actionable insights without having to dig through physical paperwork. After diving deep into everything Connecteam offers, it's clear this all-in-one platform is suitable for any food and beverage business with a deskless or mobile workforce. If you're looking to simplify your operations by eliminating chaotic texts and paper logs, Connecteam is the solution. Use the link in the description to start your free trial today, or scan this QR code to get started right away. Sign up now because it's free for teams up to 10 users. Share your experience in the comments below, and thanks for watching.